Let's take a look at a couple of tips and techniques for installing the Schluter-KERDI waterproofing membrane. Before beginning, always refer to the Schluter Shower Installation Handbook. To install KERDI, use any of the Schluter thin-set mortars, which are specifically designed for use with our membranes, or use an unmodified thin-set mortar. Next, make sure your mortar is mixed to the proper consistency. The mortar should be mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. Here, we see a good example of how your mortar consistency should be. If the mortar is too stiff, it will be difficult to embed the membrane, and the mortar may not transfer to the KERDI bonding fleece as required. Wipe down the walls with a damp sponge to remove any dust. For particularly dry and porous substrates, it is recommended to wet the substrate first in order to help prevent premature drying or skinning of the thin-set mortar. Next, make sure you are using the right trowel. You can use a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel or the Schluter-KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square-notched design. Apply a thin layer of the mortar with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the substrate, and then comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. For best results, be sure to hold the trowel at a 45-degree angle. Holding the trowel at a lower angle will result in less mortar being applied and can result in poor coverage under the membrane. It's also important to comb the mortar in one direction. This will improve coverage by making it easier to collapse the mortar ridges when embedding the KERDI. Embed the KERDI membrane into the thin-set mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife. Starting in the middle of the sheet and working to the outside can make it easier to eliminate air pockets behind the membrane. Peel the KERDI back to check for coverage. Proper installation results in full contact between the fleece and thin-set mortar. Re-embed the membrane. If full coverage is not achieved, remove and reapply, making sure to verify proper mortar consistency and application. Let's recap the tips to make sure you get optimal KERDI coverage. Make sure you're choosing the right mortar for your KERDI installation. Mix your thin-set mortar to the proper consistency. Wipe down the walls to remove dust and prevent premature drying of the thin set. Use the correct sized trowel and properly apply the mortar to the substrate. Solidly embed the membrane, starting from the center of the sheet and working to the outside. Periodically check to verify you're achieving proper coverage and adjust your approach if necessary. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.